I'm not going back to Haiti.
From the international scene, U.S. authorities arrested 538 illegal immigrants and deported hundreds in a mass operation, just days into President Donald Trump's second administration. His press secretary said this late Thursday. The Trump administration arrested 538 illegal immigrant criminals. Caroline Levitt said in a post on social media X, adding hundreds were deported by military aircraft. The largest massive deportation operation in history is well underway. Promise made, promises kept, she said. Trump promised a crackdown on illegal immigration during the election campaign and began his second term with a flurry of executive actions aimed at overhauling entry to the United States. However, Trump has signed orders declaring a national emergency at the southern border and announced the deployment of more troops to the area while vowing to deport criminal aliens. Earlier on Thursday, New York City Mayor Raj J. Baraka said in a statement that Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE) agents raided a local establishment, detaining undocumented residents as well as citizens without producing a warrant. It's worth noting that earlier in the week, the Republican-led U.S. Congress greenlit a bill to expand pre-trial incarceration for foreign criminal suspects. We'll continue to monitor this news story for more updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.